Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw two heads of horses in easy steps. First, we sketch a straight tilted line like this. Then a small curving line for the muzzle. And a large oval, like so, for the jaw. We make a curving line for the flesh under the jaw, and then the neck with two larger curving lines. And that will be the main shape. Now we do some detail. A reference line for the eye, the nostril, the lip and mouth opening, and there is some soft flesh under the mouth as well. We make just two lines for the ears for now, and we mark some muscles on the neck. Next we draw the forehead, the eye with an almond shape, and some lines indicating the main bones and muscles of the face. I'll fill in the eye, leaving a small white reflection. And let's go over the jaw as needed. We may draw a shadow here if we want. We sketch the mane and the shape of the ears. Lastly, we will refine the shapes and we will try to make it more realistic. If you want to see the drawing reference for this sketch, you can do so in Fine Art Tips Instagram account at fine.art.tips or in the website fineart-tips.com. And we erase the lines that we don't need anymore. I also would like to invite you to follow me on Instagram at artistleonardo to be able to see my own new works of art. At Fine Art Tips, we show the drawings from the tutorials, while at Artist Leonardo, I share my own creations that also go to art shows. And let's just darken the nostril to finish this first sketch. Good, and we will make another one. This horse head will be more toward a 3/4 view. We begin pretty much in the same way, but instead of one tilted line, we make two. Then the curving lines will meet to a point, the top of the neck. We make an U shape for the base of the ears. And then watch this shape that will help us draw the forehead. A large U for the jaw, the neck, and two little lines here which will be for the lips. Draw the eye, then shape the upper and lower lip and jaw, and I'll correct the neck slightly. We indicate some of the main muscles and bones, and then draw an arch as a guideline for the ears. Draw them inside it. Add the nose and nostrils. And the soft flesh that is around the mouth, like so. The visible eye goes inside the oval that we had made. By the way, I am basing this tutorial from a small but very helpful book called Draw 50 Horses by Lee J. Ames. We then draw the forehead using the shape that we sketched at the beginning. We begin the mane and refine the shape of the ears. The link for the book and the list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. We make the shapes more organic, nicer, and we give it a little bit of shading. We give it the last touches and it's ready. Please let me know if you enjoyed this simple step-by-step format for the tutorials. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips, order my book, The Basics of Drawing, the Ultimate Guide for Beginners, also with the link below. And I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.